I am just scooping out some chicken broth after this chicken has cooked in the crock pot all day so that I can make some gravy. Bringing the broth to a boil, adding in some sea salt and some black pepper. Now that it's at a roaring boil, I am just going to mix in some flour. Once it gets nice and thick, I just add water to thin it down and then just cook it a little bit and till it's the consistency that you like. And then you have some nice chicken gravy. And just like that, we have some nice chicken gravy for supper. This is Candy with the Candy Foot Club.